Aha. 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 Esme, can you go? Very good. Say to Aunt Cynthia. Can you click? Very good. Click. So, family, we just wanted to say hi, and we can't wait to see everyone in Florida. Woo. And Aunt Cynthia, Esme can make some new noises, so we thought that you would like that. What did you? Can you go? She does not want to do that right now. Okay. Very good. You're so vain. You're staring at yourself, aren't you? Okay, so we can also stand. We're going to see if she wants to do it. She might not, so please just be patient with us and forgive the runny nose. Esme. We're going to back up a little bit more so they can see your feet, because that's part of the highlight of the trip. Oh, get your balance. Find your center. Maybe she doesn't want to right now. You're okay. No, you're okay. You're okay. Oh, Boobala, Boobala, you're fine. Look, look. Look, who it is? It's Esme. It's Esme. Hi, Esme. Aha. Aha. Everybody knows I love my toes. Yes, everybody knows I love my toes. I love my eyes, my ears, my mouth, and my nose. But everybody knows I love my toes. Okay. So the other day with Joshua, she was just letting go, and now she wants to hold on. Okay, so I'm going to kiss you, and this kiss is not for me, it's from all of your family. Oh, you fell down. Want to stand up? Watch, I'll stand up by yourself. Well, by herself. She needs a little support. But just for someone to give her fingers. She pulls up all by herself, don't she? Okay. Well, that's it for Esme Hour. Esme. That's from your family. They say hi. They say, I love you, Esme. She's trying to crawl, but then she just falls flat on her stomach, and then that's that. Do you still see you? Okay, so that's it for Esme Hour. We're glad all of you could stop by and play with us. We are going to try to go see if we can catch Daddy racing. And then at 3:30 there's an award ceremony for his 505 race that he is in this weekend. And that's our day in Washington. We'll see everyone soon. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Just give a little